Analyzing the M-theta quadratic character within Z and Z by Gabriel Cedric Pemha Binyam. The study of the M-theta quadratic character within the modular arithmetic framework of Z in Z focuses on understanding its properties and implications in number theory. The M-theta character serves as a tool for analyzing quadratic residues and non-residues in the set of integers modulo n. The M-theta quadratic character is defined for elements in Z and Z, providing a systematic way to categorize integers based on their quadratic residues. The character takes on values depending on whether an integer is a quadratic residue modulo n. The notion of model theta-valent set noted Z and Z, F alpha, is defined by F.I.C.18. In this chapter, the purpose is to define on ZpZZ, P', a notion of quadratic residues and quadratic character which respects its structure of M-theta S. The law of quadratic reciprocity is a fundamental theorem in number theory that describes the relationship between the solvability of two different quadratic equations modulo prime numbers. Formulated by mathematicians such as Leonhard Euler and Carl Friedrich Gauss, it states that for two distinct odd primes P and Q, the law is often expressed with the help of the Legendre symbol, which represents whether a number is a quadratic residue modulo a prime. The classic statement involves four cases depending on the congruences of P and Q modulo 4. Hoping that this approach will bring something of interest to the notion of quadratic residues as presented by C. F. Gauss or F. Eisenstein. The implications of the M-theta character extend to advanced topics in algebraic number theory and can influence the understanding of prime distribution and factorization within Z and Z. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.